Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Home Decor Hub, your go-to destination for all things design and innovation. Today's video is an exciting journey into the realm of modern gate designs and ideas. If you're on the lookout for a blend of security and style, you're in the right place. We've curated a collection of the latest trends, innovative materials, and cutting-edge designs that redefine the entrance to your space. Whether you're a homeowner seeking inspiration or simply a design enthusiast, join us as we explore the artistry and functionality behind these contemporary gate designs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest in modern design. Let's dive in and elevate your curb appeal together. Modern gates play a crucial role in contemporary decor, acting as both functional and aesthetic elements that contribute significantly to the overall ambience of a space. The design and materials of a modern gate can serve as a focal point, setting the tone for the entire property. Beyond their primary function of providing security, these gates become integral components of the decor, often defining the style and sophistication of the home's exterior. Modern main gates can significantly enhance the overall look of a property, providing both security and aesthetic appeal. Here are some contemporary main gate ideas. Minimalist metal gates. Opt for sleek and simple designs using materials like steel or aluminum. Incorporate geometric patterns or clean lines for a minimalist look. Wood and metal combination. Combine the warmth of wood with the strength of metal for a stylish and contemporary gate. Experiment with horizontal or vertical slats for a modern touch. Glass and metal gates. Create a sophisticated look by incorporating glass panels with a metal frame. Frosted or tinted glass can add privacy and elegance. Automated sliding gates. Install an automated sliding gate for convenience and a high-tech feel. Consider integrating a smart system for remote control or mobile app access. Vertical pivot gates. Pivot gates that open vertically can provide a unique and visually interesting entrance. Combine with sleek materials for a modern twist. LED lit gates. Add LED lighting to the gate structure for a dramatic and contemporary look, especially effective at night. Choose colors that complement the overall exterior aesthetic. Perforated metal gates. Opt for gates with perforated metal panels for a combination of security and style. Customize the perforations to create patterns or designs. Port and steel gates. Port and steel provides a rusted, weathered appearance that is both modern and industrial. The patina formed over time adds character to the gate. Nature-inspired gates. Incorporate natural elements like tree or leaf patterns into the gate design for a unique and organic look. Smart security gates. Install gates with advanced security features, such as facial recognition or fingerprint access. Integrate with a home automation system for seamless control. Concrete and wood gates. Combine concrete and wood for a contemporary and durable gate design. Experiment with different textures and finishes. Floating entryway. Create a floating effect by elevating the gate slightly off the ground using pillars or supports. This can add a sense of lightness and modernity to the entrance. When choosing a modern main gate, consider the architectural style of your home, the surrounding landscape, and your personal preferences. It's also essential to ensure that the chosen design complements the overall aesthetics of your property. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.